bring me home. You bring me
dancing with our shadows through the streets. Stars are blinking to the rhythm of our heartbeats. Greatest show I've ever seen, starring you and me. Feeling so alive, you just made me realize the meaning of love when you look me in the eyes. Never thought that I would be where I always wanted to be. 'Cause I can't see myself without you, myself without you. No, I can't be myself without you. Who am I without you? Easy when the city is laying fast asleep, dreaming of tomorrow as you're laying with me. Greatest plans we ever made, I'm so glad you stayed. Never thought that I could be happier than now. You're the color in my life, the bells are ringing out. Every time I hear you speak, you make me believe that I can't see myself without you, myself without you. No, I
and I leave my patience to the leaves. And baby, my bones grow tired, but just know I tried so desperately. And every time I close mine, I see your eyes looking straight down at me. I loved every flower's taste, but I was just another honeybee. And where would you go if you could never see the sun in me? And little did I know there was some other man worth the distance offered me. But I'm still here, I'm just not holding on. So darling, would you come my way? I'll see you still as the miles they stay, just as wild as we knew. Go my way, I'll see you still. Would you kindly wait?